Good morning, how are you? Today I thought we would have a look at the riffs in Boys of Summer by Don Henley. So we're going to kick it off with riff number 1 in the song. I'm tuned regularly, I'm playing a Stratocaster on the 4th position, the one in between the bridge and the middle. And I've got a bit of overdrive on, like a tiny, tiny bit, with the orange burst, the K-line one. It's on my teaching board. It's a really, really cheap pedal. It cost about 30 bucks, so value. Alright, so riff number 1, we're going to go from the 2nd to the 4th fret on the B string first, so basically from D flat to E flat. Nice. Now number 2, I'll put the tabs up as we go. You've probably just seen a tab now. So then we're going to do a little, basically kind of in the 2nd position of E flat minor pentatonic here. Number 3 is actually the same. Okay, all right, and we moved around a little bit. That's that lick. We've got another one here, which is 4-2, 4-2, 4. And then finally, just before the vocal comes in, we're going to go 6-4 on the top string. And that is the whole intro. Alright, then when the singing starts, there's not really much happening on the guitar. You could kind of pedal. The chords are E flat minor, B, and C and D flat. Sorry. So. Something like this. Okay, so in the song we're going from around the 115, 116 mark here. The very first lick is doubled by a keyboard, and we're going to play 8-6-8 on the G string. Okay, then we've got, so this little barrel roll, we're going 6 hammer. So you can put your first finger flat there, hammer, 6, hammer. This is the lick at 128, so we've got, so we're going slide 6 to 8. Here's the lick at 134, so we're going to play 9, pull off to 6, and then 9. And then on the intro to verse 2, he just hits an E flat power chord and just, okay, and slide it out. So I'm using my 1st and 4th fingers on 6 and 8, and just sliding out. All right, then we've got verse 2. In verse 2, what you can do, I mean, you've got the main keyboard riff that's going, so we're playing G flat, F, C, and you could go a bit of muting, put your palm on the saddle there, that kind of thing, or you could continue the kind of thing that we did before. Up to you. Next bit. Okay, so at about 220 mark in the bridge, what we have is a little breakdown, guitar breakdown. It's a muted sound. So we're going to play, we're just going to collect the notes. I'll show you how to play it first. We've got, so 4, 4, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, ba, 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 ba. And then second bar is, okay, so that whole line is 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and second line is. So you hear it's almost exactly the same, not quite. So we've got 4 4 4 4 2 2 4 4 4 2 4 4 2 4. Yeah, so. And then that first line repeats. Okay, so that's that little section. Alright, so at around 2:44 on the track, we have some seagulls appearing. So what I've done is I've got a bit of delay on here, and I'm just going to play this note here. Seagull-y enough? Okay, so that's that little part. Then we've moved up the neck here. So here we go. This is 14, 11, 13. And then 11 to 9. Alright, the next riff is really cool. So we've got a lick riff. Is 9, 6, 7, 6, 8 on the string below. Pull off. Play. So you get this. That's that whole lick. Alright. And here's the last one. We're actually going to do some double stops here. So we've got 13, 13, 13 on the 5th and 4th strings. So is how that lick goes. We've got 13, 13, 13, 11, and then back to 13, and then 11, 13, slide. So we start where we finish where we started rather. So we've got ba 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 ba. Awesome. There you go, I can play it. Good news. Then we have another verse, another chorus. Now in the chorus there's a little riff that happens on the guitar which I think is really cool, which we are going to learn right now. We're going to kick off here on the 6th fret of the E string. Okay, so we've got 6, 9. And then we're going to play 7, 7, 6, 7. Okay, and then we're going to, there's a little barrel roll. How that works is you're going to play 6, hammer onto 8, and then 7 just in behind. So that whole thing is. So that's how you play the Boys of Summer, all the licks, all the chords, all the bits. Please click the notification bell just here. Ping! And every Saturday morning there will be a new lesson just like this one. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time.